back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Ajmi and I make art videos twice a week. And in today's video, we're gonna paint this galaxy themed Hogwarts painting. If you guys like Harry Potter or you just love painting, and if you are interested to see how I did this painting, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you are doing well. And today we're gonna paint Hogwarts, the most magical place ever. This place is not just a castle, it's an emotion. And I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate to this. Okay, so I start the painting by coloring the whole sky black. Then I'm gonna put random colors here and there. You see, usually when we see a night sky, it's very dark. Even most of the galaxy paintings contain 2 or 3 colors. But I thought, what the heck, let's just put all the colors on the sky. Cause a magical castle deserves a magical sky, right? I'm using various shades of bright colors: light pink, light blue, dark blue, red, orange, purple, white, and so on. This painting took 1.5 hours. So it was not that difficult. It was really very easy. I could add a lot more details to the castle, but I chose not to. Sometimes it's better to keep it simple. So you see, you can easily recreate this painting. Try it sometimes, it's really fun. Now tell me, how many of you guys love Harry Potter? Well, that's a weird question, cause who doesn't love Harry Potter, right? Harry Potter is everything. When I was a kid, I first saw one of the Harry Potter movies. I didn't know his name and I couldn't remember it no matter how much I tried. At that time, there were no internet, obviously. It was the age of DVD. So I used to go to the nearest DVD store and ask the owner about the guy with round glasses who could fly. And the owner used to smile and say, "Na, notun movie ekhono asheni." And I used to be so sad. And those waiting made me fall in love with the magical world of Harry Potter. And I'm sure every one of you have a story like that. I read my first Harry Potter book when I joined university. And I fell in love with it all over again. I usually listen to Harry Potter audiobooks when I'm painting cause it's really soothing and it just reminds me of so many good memories with my family and so many amazing dreams I had. By the way, which house are you from? I'm a proud Gryffindor. Though I used to believe I'm a Ravenclaw, but then I took the Pottermore test and found out I'm actually a Gryffindor. It's quite cool, right? Okay, let's talk about the painting for a second. I'm painting the whole castle using black and different shades of blue. And for the lights, I'm using mid yellow and ultramarine white. As the castle is very dark, the yellow is popping and it looks like those are actual lights and as if they are really glowing. So you see how contrast creates depth and it just brightens those highlighted part of your painting. I painted Hogwarts once before when I first started painting, and that painting wasn't very good, but it took me more than 4 hours. I guess it took me 6 hours, and I was really proud of it at the time. Now when I think about it, it feels like a long time ago. It's a really strange feeling, you know. Sometimes it's nice to look back to realize how far we've come. And just a satisfaction. You know what I mean. By the way, have you guys subscribed to my channel yet? Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done already. So one of my neighbors came yesterday and saw this painting on my canvas stand. She looked at me like I'm a child, as if she was mocking me for loving Harry Potter. I mean, how weird is that? Well, what can I say? After all this time, always. I mean, I am always gonna love Harry Potter no matter what. And I just hope you guys like this video. And if you did, then check out my Bangla art series called Learn Acrylic, which I upload every Tuesday. And in this series, you can learn all about the basics of acrylic painting and you can start from zero. So it's really exciting. So click the bell icon for every updates and I will see you guys very soon. So did you guys like this video? If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And comment down below what you want me to paint next. I will see you guys next time. Until then, Allah Hafiz.